Bella Ciao! So see, it's Carl, your boy next window. Get the chance to be part of Coco Gadget Hub's midnight launching of iPhone 17 series last night, as they also add their store on the map as one of the authorized sellers of Apple products. And yes, nakapag-chance din si It's Carl to unbox and do the famous screen peel ng mga actual units ng iPhone 17 series. Oo dahil, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone Air na grabe naman talaga kanipis. Ang elite talaga tingnan and ang sarap do talaga sa kamay. And ano na lang ang features, na-upgraded na talaga ang camera to 48 megapixels. And of course, this celebration won't be complete without the presence of our lovely City Mayor Lorelie Pacquiao and Congressman Bobby Pacquiao together with other content creators and Apple devotees na nakapila naman talaga na para bumili ng kanilang iPhone 17. Sana all. Pero ang swerte naman talaga nitong first in line to avail the phone kasi nakakuha din siya ng over 16,500 worth of freebies from Coco Gadget Hub and Apple. Uy, grabe kuya, pangatag pod. Char lang. And congratulations Coco Gadget Hub on the success of your midnight launching and opening ng extension store ninyo. Kaya naman if you want to purchase all Apple products, punta na kayo sa SY Building, Leon Liedo Street, General Santos City sa gilid ng Joji Ilagan. And guys, again, they are an authorized seller of Apple products. You may also follow their Facebook pages para palagi tayong updated. And again, it's Carl, your boy next window, and see you in our next video. Bella ciao! William!